if you know just a couple words, they're already gonna warm up to you and say, "Whoa, 你会说汉语?
会说汉语，会说
哇，
汉语。
厉害
Right?
外国人会说中文
So I'm Kuizhou, elementary Chinese, learn real Chinese, communicate, have fun. I'm here with Bert from Lost Expat. He travels around the world checking out really cool foods that you should probably know about. If you're interested in global and worldly cuisine, go follow him on his channel. Link in the descriptions below. Been in China for 8 years and he's gonna share with you that one tip that he thinks you should learn that will help you survive and thrive in China. Bert, take it away. What's the tip?
The tip is to learn basic phrases before landing in China. Basically like hello, thank you, and sorry, and some other essential phrases you have to actually get down and nail before you land here. That will improve your overall hearing.
Why those phrases though? Is it the connection that's more important or the language that's more important?
I'd say that the connection with Chinese people, if you know just a couple words, they're already gonna warm up to you and say, "Whoa, 你会说汉语?厉害
Right?
外国人会说中文 So you're already gonna get that little
Yeah.
bit. They're just a little bit trying to mess with you and trying to see if you know more. You're also maybe gonna be like, yeah, I don't know anymore, but that's all I learned.
Been here 8 years. All in Beijing, or what cities have you lived in?
I've lived in Beijing most of all, but I've traveled 35 places in China. Yeah, but yeah, it's
That's
almost 40 places. I don't know exactly
lot.
the number, but yeah.
So you know about speaking some Chinese and connecting with people.
I try to learn the local dialect, the words in the local dialect too, the way that they would say it, so I don't seem like a Beijing run, like the
That's
Beijing.
intelligent.
Yeah.
You guys, if you want to learn those 3 phrases to connect with people right when you get to China, tap or click the screen right there for a little playlist from Bert and me. Good
Good study. Day up.